Say hi! Say good evening everyone! Good evening mga Shas! Ngayon lang kami ulit nag-video dahil wala naman kaming ginawang buong araw. Anyway, gumagawa pa. Are you ready to eat your food? Your dinner time? Meron pa yan siya tawag nito sipon. Kailan ba yun? Yung last kong vlog is sabi ko, check up, papa-check up ko siya sa doktor. And we went to the doctor, right? Yan, umiinom na yan siya ng ngayon, antibiotic at saka yung kanyang pangsipon and ubo. Hopefully, you will get soon, baby Ayana, no? But I think it's been like 2 days ago na. 2 days ago na ba, baby? That was 2 days ago, I think. Yeah? Nagpunta kami sa doktor. So, nagtitake na yan siya ng kanyang gamot. Sana gumaling ng baby ko. So far, wala na siyang ubo, pero meron pa rin siyang sipon. So hopefully, you will get better soon yan, okay? Ayan na. And she's having right now, what this? Baby Yana, you want this? Squash, carrots, and Cerelac. Ano ko lang siya, halo-halo ko lang sila. Ayan, minimix ko lang sila. Are you ready to eat? Ay, binigyan ko siya ng kanyang carrots. Kaso lang, nilalaroan lang eh. Are you ready to eat na? Ayan na. Let's have your dinner. Oh, are you ready? Actually, kagigising niya lang. So, di ko alam kung gutom na ba yan siya ngayon or ready naman kumain or hindi pa. Gusto niya lang maglaro. So far, nasa mood siya. Ayan na, right? Where's daddy anyway? Ayan na. Wala si daddy niya, nasa labas. Nagala-gala ang kanyang daddy. Let's eat. You want to eat now? Should I feed you? Oh no, don't play. Ayan na. Ay, nako. Don't play. Oh no. Laki-laki na ng anak ko. Tingnan mo naman dito sa screen ko. Diyos ko niya marimar. Baby, you're so big na. Look at you. Parang kailan lang. Yeah, you look big enough. You're not baby no more. Huh? I think you're no longer baby anymore, Yana. You want to eat now? Laki niya na, wala pa siyang 1 taon. The fact na 8 months ka pa lang, tingnan mo naman. Pag humihiga nga siya sa kama, parang kalahati na siya sa kama ba? Parang sabi ko, ang laki naman tong batang to. Mukha, hindi niya maanong hustisya niya sa video. Pero pag sa personal, malaki siyang bata siya. Matangkad siya. And mabigat. Kalahan mo yun, araw-araw ka magbuhat ng 11.5 kilos. Araw-araw yan. Diyos ko niyo, wala kami ginawa ngayong araw kundi magbuhat na magbuhat. Ayan na, right? Napagod na rin ako sa kakabuhat. Are you ready to eat? Uy, nag-ano ka na naman. Mama will feed you, Ayana. Ay. Ay, my baby, Yana. What are you doing? Are you angry with mommy? Huh? Oh, no. Okay, let's eat. Mama will feed you, okay? Oh, that's dirty. Ganito na lang tayo para magkasya tayo sa screen. Sana magustuhan nito. Parang feeling ko gusto niya naman yung yung squash. Pero pinaghalo-halo ko kasi. Hopefully magustuhan niya. Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Come on. Taste it. Do you like it? Yummers? Is it yummy? You like Ayana? It's yummy. Haluan ko sana na chicken. Kaso lang frozen pa. Sabi ko, i-milk ko na lang, Cerelac ko na nga lang. Yan na. Tomorrow, you will have this one again. But I think I'm gonna put chicken on it, baby Anna, so you will eat also. Yeah? Something for you to try. Oh, come on. Open your mouth. Open your mouth, baby. Open your mouth. Can I get one? Wala pala tayong hindi pala tayo naka-order ng baby Yana. What do you call this? Tissue. Ay? May scented pala to, baby. Punasan muna natin kasi naano mo kanina eh. Nililit mo. Ayan ba to? No fun paraben. Lavender extract. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Mayroon siyang amoy. Hindi naman siya babaw yung amoy, but may amoy siyang lavender scent. Kasi minsan yung bata na to kinakagat niya ba? Tubig lang naman siguro ito yung nasa nilalagay nila, no? May lavender scent nga lang na mabango. Oh, come on, open your mouth. You see? Big mouth. Ay, big mouth, come on. Show mommy. You like the food? This is Yammers, Yana. This is very healthy for baby Yana. Oh, no, don't put your hand. Are you there? Itong bata, hilig na talaga itong mga... Okay, very good. I want you to open your mouth. Come on, widely, come on. Show me your big mouth. Yay, do you like it? Yummers. That's squash, carrots, and cereal of baby Yana. Okay, that's yummy. That's yummy, come on. One more, another one. Yay! Yummers! See, Tingin naman siya sa ano. It's yummy! Oh, come on. Very, clap your hand. How you clap your hand? Show them. Show how to clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, my baby. Yana, clapping. What is this? Ay, yung ano pala, plastic. Akala ko kung ano nakikita ko yung plastic pala yan. Okay. One more. Kung nagustuhan niya naman, sana tuloy-tuloy na to. Sana itong bata na to hindi maartik pakainin, no? Yay! Good girl, baby Yana. Good girl. You're eating healthy food. Huwag kang gumaya sa mga ano mo. Nanay, tatay mo na mukhang ano, junk food. It's okay. Come on. Eat this one. Yummers. Yum, yum, yum. Yay. You like it, right? You like it? Kasi ba po ng ano eh. Magbukas ng bibig. Come on. Ay, nagigigil ako. Nagigigil ako yan. Sexy yarn. Sexy yung ano mo. One more. Open one more. Come on. Oh, no, we're not even finished yet. Almost halfway. Okay? One more, open your mouth. Ito na yung ano stage na puro kagat tong batang ito. Puro kagat tapos puro ka ano, tawag nito, puro kakurot. May pasimpleng pakurot to siya eh. Okay, malapin your mouth. Very good. Yay! May pa-acting pa. Kailangan mo nang maligo munti. Yung ina mo doon, natulog ng aga-aga pa. Alas 7 pa lang. Natulog na yung ina, yung kapat atin niya, anak ko. Napagod sa school yata. Oh, what's that? Are you angry? Come on, hurry, let's go. Finish this one. Ayan na. Nagigigil na naman siya. Okay, open your mouth. Almost done it, Missy. Oh, halfway. We're on halfway. Dapat pala, konti lang yung aking nilagay. What's that? Huh? Open. Open mouth. Open. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Give mommy kiss. Yay! Clapping. Clap, 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 clap. Can we sing a song? Huh? Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a master, you gonna be a little faster. Alright? Aram sam sam, guli 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 ram sam sam. Arabi, Arabi, guli 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 ram sam sam. Arabi, Arabi, guli 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 ram sam sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a master, you gonna be a little bit faster. Aram sam sam, guli 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 guli, ram sam sam. Aram sam sam, guli guli guli, ram sam. Ram sam. Hey, bastas. Ay, what's that? Okay. Okay. Oh, one more. Sorry. No. Your hands is dirty, baby, Anna. Ay, excuse me. Ay, gusto ko niyo, Marimar. Aray, mahuhulog na ako. Come on, wash your hand. Wipe your face. Wipe your face. Okay. Hindi ko to niliguan ngayong gabi kay niliguan ko to. Nagtalo kami ni Jowa, sabi ko, kasi ilang araw na nga siya lang ligo. 2 days na yata. Parang feeling ko, nainitan na siya. So sabi ko kay Jowa, paliguan ko siya. Sabi niya, wag. Kasi nga may lagnat, may sipon. Iya ako matigas yung ulo. Sabi ko, gusto ko rin naman pa, ano siya, parang nga, maging presko. O, come open mo. You don't want? Tapos pinaliguan ko siya. Ayun nga. Yung sipon, lumala. So, minsan, makinig din tayo kay daddy mo yan, ano? Kasi, yung ating mga decision sa buhay, minsan hindi maganda. Are you done? You still have your Yana, baby. Look and see. Oh, you still have. Oh, halfway. Or just half. It's not that much, baby. You eat, baby Yana. Oh my goodness, my baby Yana. Okay, you can have that later, okay? Magluto muna ako ng aking ng aming, what you call this, hapunan. Kasi, yung anak ko, pinaluto ko, hindi naman siya nagluto. Ando, natulog. So, sana itong batang ito, mag-ano to sa akin. Makiayos, makisama. Kung niya, Marimar, makisama pala itong ating anakis. Kasi, mahilig tong magkapit tuko kami. Wala na kaming ginawa buong araw. Magkapit tuko na lang. Lagi na lang. Ayan na. But anyway, no regrets. Kasi pag lumaki ka na, sabi nila, ang mga bata, wala na. Ayaw na magpahag. Okay? I will enjoy my time with my baby. Anak. Ako. Uy, sinampal na tayo. Sinampal. No, baby, that's not very nice. You should not hurt mommy. You should love mommy. Give mommy kisses. Punasan daw niya ako. That's dirty already. That's dirty. Oh no. Do you want to get another one? Okay, let's get another one. Let's change that one. That's yucky looking. It's yucky looking. Here. Let's get another one here. Oh, have this one. Okay. Can I have that one? Here. This one. This one is new. No, baby, this one is clean. Oh, Mama will replace it. Oh, have this one. Okay, hold that one. Wipe your mouth. Ay, madung. Hanap natin dito, baby Yana. Ang bahay natin ay walang kalinisan. Yung isang araw lang na malinis. Kinagabihan, wala na naman. Magulo na naman. Ganyan na lang lagi, araw-araw. So yun na yung mga shots. Dito ko na lang yan yung ating video for tonight. It was just a quick video para lang mayroon tayong ma-upload sa aking YouTube channel. Kasi sayang yung ating binabayaran na monthly subscription pag hindi natin ginamit. Anyway, hanggang dito na lang. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. God bless us all. Si Baba yan ah. Bye-bye mga shots. Si Baba.